13 Cron. Hey guys, it's 13 Cron here. And of course, I have the hiccups again. Oh my goodness, I had them earlier today, but they only lasted for like, what, 2 minutes? So, yeah. Hiccups these days. Funny. Yeah, hold on. Okay, guys. Right, as I am texting people. Yup. Yes, I am having a weird hair day. Anyway, like if you think this is actually pretty cute, and like it if you think it's pretty ugly. So either way, like this video. No, like this video. So, yeah. I think my hiccups are gone already, guys. That's really sad. Yeah, but anyway, see behind here is my wall of photography and memories. So, and I'm adding each time I take a photo. Well, not each time I take a photo, but whatever. So, yeah, bye guys.